Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in. So since the price of Bitcoin is doing pretty much exactly like what we talked on my yesterday's video, now what to expect next, because we are well aware the smaller time frame scenario that we talked according to this Wyckoff was showing us that this trend continuation could be happening. I mean, price also heading towards this 45, 46, 47,000 range, but in a bigger frame, even 50 to 55,000 was on the line. But does this make sense? Because we know the price of Bitcoin, after forming this very nice Wyckoff accumulation phase, we are starting with this new impulsive movement because we have entered the phase E area. In a phase E, you can see there is no resistance and price simply keeps on climbing. Because if you look at some of the definition from Wyckoff's events and phases, you can see guys, in phase E, the stock leaves the trading range, demand is in full control, and the markup is obvious to everyone. Setbacks such as shakeout and more typical reaction are usually short-lived. New higher highs label trading ranges comprising both profit taking and acquisition of additional share or reaccumulation by large operators or so-called whales, right, in crypto, can occur at any point in phase E. So these trading ranges are sometimes called stepping stone on the way to even higher price targets. So if this is going to pan out just like what Wyckoff has described in phase E, then this pullbacks what we are witnessing is very typical reaction, which is very short-lived. And beside this accumulation schematic, guys, we also have talked about this falling wedge scenario, which was pointing out that this 43, 44 and 45,000 could be on the line. And now if you monitor the price movement, this is also playing out very well, because yesterday when the price of Bitcoin was around this 44,700, we saw a retracement. And now if this consolidation is going to happen above this 43,000, then it is absolutely fine to see some more range bound around this area, because some more range bound just like here is not going to be harmful. I mean, price consolidating and again trying to break even higher than this 45,000 range. And this is exactly what I see could be also playing out here in price action of Bitcoin. So that's why any sort of a medium short-term pullback, this previous line is again going to act as one very strong line of support for Bitcoin. And I strongly believe that this trend here, right, even if we are going to see some more shakeout, it's still going to continue here to the upside. So now let me show you, beside this falling wedge and also beside this accumulation schematic from Wyckoff, what could be playing out here in a bigger time frame. So before switching into other chart, I want to give you a quick update that we not just only have a Crypto Anup English channel, we also have our Crypto Anup German channel. So for all German speaker, go follow me there. And not just only that, we also have our own Telegram channel. So if you want to communicate with each other, if you want to be part of Crypto Anup family, then the link will be provided in the description down below. And beside that, to all the traders watching this video right now, I have a giveaway around $10,000 at the end of the month to anyone who sign up using my ref link here. Either it's a Bybit or Femex, and deposit at least $300 worth of crypto. Doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin, Ethereum or USDT. If you do that, then at the end of the month, I am going to choose maybe 5 random winner and provide them with $2,000 each, or a 2 random winner, one from Femex, one from Bybit, right, and provide them $5,000 each. So if you want to take advantage of this opportunity, the link is also provided in the description down below. So now let's switch the chart. So now if you look at this in a weekly time frame, what we have found out that in an actual trend reversal, the price of Bitcoin has always repeated one movement again and again. And after that, we have seen an actual trend reversal happening in price action of Bitcoin. What I mean by that, if we look at this price movement from 2013 to 2014 and take this Fibonacci retracement from this swing high till the swing low area, you can see when we had this massive correction, right, we also saw a massive relief rally where the price got gravitated around this 0.618 Fibonacci line. And when we were unable to find a support above this 0.618 Fibonacci line, we continue this markdown phase. Similarly, also in 2017, you can see the price saw a relief rally which brought us again towards the 0.618, but was not able to find support above that line, and after that we saw an actual trend reversal happening here in 2019 as well. If you take this Fibonacci retracement from this swing high till the swing low area, right, we saw this relief rally where the price also got approached towards this 0.618, was not able to find support, and after that we saw this markdown phase. So in 2021, let's also look at this one here. If you take the Fibonacci retracement from this swing high till the swing low area, the price did approach the 0.618 Fibonacci line. Here we even got a retracement, making us believe that this is a trend reversal, just like what happened in past Bitcoin price action. But this was wrong, because you can see the price saw a retracement but again started this new move here to the upside. And why? Because now let me show you the difference, right? Because if you look at this price movement in a bit different way, I mean, if you take the Fibonacci not from this swing high till the swing low area, but from the swing low till this impulsive movement, I mean from this low till this high area. And if you look at this retracement, where did the retracement end it? Exactly, guys, exactly between this 0.5 to 0.618 Fibonacci line. We came there, found support, right? You can see we found support, and after that only we started this new price movement. And now if you look in our case, right, our case, and take this Fibonacci from this swing high till the swing low area, what is the price movement actually reflecting us? That we could be getting gravitated around this or between this 0.5 to 0.618 Fibonacci line before we choose an actual trend direction. So that is the reason why I strongly believe that in upcoming days, weeks, and even month, right, this is where we could be heading between this 50,000 to 55,000 before choosing a actual trend direction for Bitcoin. And not just only here in a weekly time frame, guys, but if you also look at this price action here in a daily time frame using this non-failure swing bottom, according to this non-failure swing bottom, as you can see, this is also playing out very, very well, because we said if we don't want to look this as a non-failure swing bottom, we could also see that there is more of a inverse head and shoulder type of scenario playing out here. So right now where we are getting rejection is again around this point B area, and this point B is right now somewhere around 44,500, 44,600 range. So now if the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term is also able to flip this 45,500, 45,600 into support, then the next target is going to be around this B2 area, and that could be very, very bullish, because if we flip this B2 area, right, that could be around 46,000 into support, then this non-failure swing bottom is going to continue towards the point F area. And according to the inverse head and shoulder, if you also look at this price target here to the upside from this shoulder till the neckline area, and if you focus on the breakout area, you can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin, right, could be approaching towards this 55,000 range. So that's why, guys, I showed you with this example, the 0.5, 0.618, the relief rally, just like this dead cat bounce theory, a retracement towards the 0.5 to 0.618 could be happening before price chooses an actual trend direction. So this is also lining up very, very well with this inverse head and shoulder and also the non-failure swing bottom. But this doesn't mean the price has to show a movement in this manner. Please keep this in mind, guys. There might be more range bound type of scenario playing out here. I mean more of a consolidation, range bound, even a shakeout, right, and still continue this movement here in this manner. So that is the reason we have to be very, very careful. But I strongly believe now the upcoming days or even weeks could be in favor of bulls, because also according to the Wyckoff's, the phase E area where we are finding ourselves, there are going to be many shakeout, but it is going to be short lived. So please also save that in your mind, and this is something what we are also witnessing right now. So these are some of the interesting scenario I thought sharing with you in today's video. If you enjoyed the work, guys, then please hit the like button, and also for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye, guys.